Hi, I'm Kelly Nascimento. I'm an advanced leader with Usborne Books and More, and I want to quickly show you how to set up your direct deposit when you first become a consultant. You are going to go to your UBAM back office. I have this page bookmarked, and obviously you can see I go to it all the time, so it just auto populates in my search bar, but it's backoffice.myubam.com/pages/login. So save that as a bookmark for yourself. You will be going here all the time. You're going to log in with your consultant ID, and then your password, I believe, is the last four digits of your social security number. You can also automatically, like right away, do a password reset and make it whatever you want. All right, so you're going to log in here, and then on the left side here, I'm not going to show you exactly where. I'm going to show you where to find the information because this is going to be useful for you moving forward. So in the menu, select training. I hope you saw that I did that. Our training in back office has its own login, so you will create a new login for this. I just used my email and the password I usually use. And right here, you're going to select the back office tour. And then you can see all the lessons here on the left side, and you're going to want to watch your back office walkthrough. Like, this is why I'm showing you this, because there's a lot of good info here. Back office walkthrough, so you kind of know how to navigate it, some other useful tools, and then bam, right here, how to set up and change direct deposit. So watch this video, get your direct deposit set up ASAP. That way you'll get paid by direct deposit every single Wednesday. And that is for your sales from the previous Sunday through Saturday. If you don't get this set up, then you're going to have to wait for your monthly check to come in the mail. And there's a small fee for that processing. So nobody wants that. We want to get paid weekly. So get this set up ASAP and good luck.